Okay, Varsity B. We are about to.
Go home.
Do you miss your house?
Yeah.
What do you miss about the house?
Like the aircon.
Yeah, we did not just. We saved our electricity bill and our Wi-Fi bill. You hear the funny is proof. Thank you for being with us for this amazing series. Thank you so much for watching. It took so much effort for us to make this. Thank you so much for having with us the last 12 parts. Oh my goodness.